This morning I just cried. Couldn't hold it, couldn't hide. Sunlight spoke in a colder voice. I dropped my head, I had no choice. And said, "Are you alright?" I whispered, "Not today." I keep the quiet like a shield, breathing in an empty field. In my dreams, the rain comes down. No footsteps, not a sound. It washes out the ache and all my doubt. Only the rain rings loud. By noon I lost my breath. Heavy air pressed on my chest. The world was silent, too silent to bear. Felt like I misplaced my voice somewhere. Say something, I told myself. Nothing but the ringing in my ears. I hold my heartbeat in my hands, waiting for a sign I understand. In my dreams, the rain comes down. No footsteps, not a sound. It washes out the ache and all my doubt. Only the rain rings loud. At sundown I began to pray, talk to a sky turning red and gray. The wind stayed quiet, never replied. So I folded my hands and threw in my pride. "Please listen," I said to the light. Silence, but I tried. Midnight falls and I drift to sleep. Clock hands fade, warm hands reach. In the dark I chase a silver line, slip through the shadows to a place that's mine. Hold on, I hear, or maybe it's me. Either way, it's the only key. In my dreams, the rain comes down, soft as mercy, without a between forgotten lines I breathe. A faint warm trace that will not leave. Even in the dark, it flickers, it shines. A drop of rain, a spark.